Welcome to the Peace and Plenty Hotel. This facility is over 100 years old, and it hosted the Bahamian Tourism Appreciation for the Cruisers event. This was pretty interesting. We've never been to one before, and we decided to go. And the Bahamian Tourism put on this event with cultural food, a cultural dance and music. It was very interesting, and I'm glad we went. And you know what? The food was free, and there was hundreds of people there that went, and apparently it's been the biggest one attended so far. And hopefully with people like myself promoting it, next year it will even be bigger. One of the things that I found most interesting and most valuable to myself was the explanation of the Junkanoo, and what it meant and how it started. It's always been a question in my mind, and now I had these professionals explaining it to me in a way that I understood very well. So that was well worth the attendance for sure. The food was great, kept playing, rocking the place, the music was good, and of course the dancing machines were out. And I'm telling you right now, the moves were great. Love generation. They really know how to have a lot of fun. Beautiful Sandy, she's ready to go. Of course, it's around 11 o'clock, right? She doesn't start getting dressed until around that time, so yep, half the day's gone.
You don't have to wait around for me, dear. And it's only like 9:15, 9:30.
No.
Who was sitting on the bench up here with just a coffee on the internet and listening to the Cruisers Net and didn't move an inch until it was all done? That was you.
Well, to be quite honest with you, I'm forced to sit there and not move because I'm not allowed to touch anything here anyways, right? Remember, everything I touch gets dirty or broken. And my life. While cruising out in our dinghy, we saw a shadow in the water and noticed it was a shark. Decided to take a look, and yeah, it was a single shark just cruising around in about 4 feet of water peacefully, not disturbing anybody. Then moments later, we run into another cool guy. Look at this guy here, just floating around us. Wow. Like he wants a pet.
He's going under.
Yeah. This was a friendly turtle. He, again, we were about 3 feet of water. We noticed the shadow in the, cruising along the bottom of the seafloor. We stopped to take a look, had our cameras ready, and he was very interested in us. I guess he thought the camera was food, and he came up several times out of the water, right up to the dinghy. We don't know much about these turtles, but I'm sure they're pretty powerful. The thought did cross my mind, if he bit my dinghy, he'd pushed it open. But anyways, he was gentle, and he was just inquisitive, looking around, looking at our camera. And it was quite entertaining, and it lasted for quite a long time. Very nice experience. There you go, my friend. See you later. Very cool. The power of this water is amazing. And I wonder, well, I know how it works with the moon and the gravity, but it's just, the energy is amazing. And it can toss us around like nothing. It's just
too. Yeah, the floating part's important. Oh, the sun coming down right now, guys. It's gonna be a nice day. We'll be at our destination before dark. Sandy feels much better when she's at the wheel in control.
No, I just don't want to go add hours onto our trip going way off course to try and fill the sail.
What would you rather do? Just anchor?
No,
Let us know. What is your idea?
maybe you just add power so that we can continue to head.
I see. No. No, because we can do this. We can do it properly. Tonight we're anchored in front of the monument. The Salt Monument. That's what the monument is. The Salt Monument. From way back in the day, that was a identification that they sold salt here. Any ships going by would know that because they would see it and they would come in and buy salt. Not that pink stuff that you buy at the grocery stores, that you Himalayan salt. No. In fact, that Himalayan pink salt that you buy probably doesn't have any Himalayan in it whatsoever. Hey, did I ever tell you we've been to Sandy and I have been to the Himalayas? Yeah, maybe someday we'll talk about that. This is happening right now, guys. We had a day of a little rough weather, but today the water is like glass. And look at that. Good night. What's the date today? The 4th.
Yeah.
Today is March 4th. And it's this is what the sunset looks like here in the Exumas, March 4th.